here talking about the media fast and the media immersion on the assignment 4 for media. The first thing I noticed on the media fast was my alarm that woke me up. Normally I use my phone. On this occasion, obviously with the media fast, I wasn't able to use my phone, so I had to use an alarm clock. It was less than effective compared to the usual radio that I have on my phone. I had to snooze it several times, and I ended up getting up about midday. Another thing I noticed with the media fast was I noticed how much everyone else used media. For example, like I went in the kitchen to eat my breakfast and everybody else was on the phones and the radio was on, as always, in the kitchen. So this made me personally feel quite isolated because I'm used to contacting my family, phoning them and stuff, and I just felt quite lonely that day. Another thing that I noticed from the media fast was some media you just can't get away from, like adverts, posters. I mean, if you walk outside your door, there's loads of posters or person with some media is. One thing that didn't bother me was television, because I don't have a television, so I just normally try to clear anyway, so that wasn't really an issue. That's the only thing I found that didn't really affect me. On the day I planned it to do was a weekend rather than a weekday, because I just thought that in my lectures and stuff, the lecturers would be using media, so it was kind of hard to get away from the media during a weekday, so I did it on a weekend. I spent most of my day in my art studio doing art, because I thought that I can isolate myself from other people and media and also be productive and get some work done. This did work. However, I find that when I work, I put the radio on, so obviously not having the radio around because of the media fast did affect me a little bit, which was a bit weird. Something else is that I can obviously keep in contact with people like my boyfriend or people in my flat. So if they were doing something and they wanted to ask me, it's like, you had no way of contacting me, so it's a bit weird and a bit different. On the media immersion, I realised like what is media. Like normally you just think of it like your phone and your laptop and your iPad, but then you start thinking of the little things like talking and writing. It's like recording ideas. I mean, that's kind of a media as well, so that was quite hard and quite eye-opening,